Hi guys, before we start, a little disclaimer. I started making this coming video a few months ago, to be honest, a year ago. So at the beginning of the video I was still very nervous while filming, and at the end of the video you can see that I'm getting used to talking to my phone. So enjoy the video and let's get it started. Hi there, welcome back. Well, today we have a special episode. I want to show you something more about my job. And as you can see behind me, I'm a little bit a long arm I need because I got my phone here. But we just started preparation for a very nice job. Almost a new business concept that we're trying to get in the market. After my own garage, this is the second garage we are doing, and this is going to be another man cave. So this video is all about this project. I'm gonna take you through this journey and let's have a look at how cool we can make this room. And maybe if you want a room like this, well, call me. Let's have a look. Well, every project starts with a good design. And the first thing that I always do when I come at a customer's place is make photos of the existing situation, talk to them about their wishes, and after that I start designing, trying to design what they really want. And basically the trick is not to design what I want to see, but design what the customer wants to see. So if you listen to them and you listen very closely and you start drawing while they are present, then you get a feeling of the direction they want to go in. So what we did in this project, I first made the base drawing of the garage. In this case it is a garage, and I know this guy's a huge Ferrari fan and he's probably gonna park some Ferraris in there. So what I did is just make first the basics of the room with the white and the lighting and the possibilities, and then we started experimenting with all the different colors and cabinets and other stuff you can place in the room. And very quickly we came to the point that this design was the chosen one. So this is day 3. You can see the electrician has begun preparing all the electrical works. We did some, where are we? Yes, oh, there it is. Grinding in the wall, cutting, and now there are the carpenters that are starting with the ceiling. So, well, it's going to be a very cool room. So I'm going shopping right now. So let's have a look at what we're going to need to finish it all off. Part of the process when you're doing a project like this is making decisions. And I cannot decide, wait, just do something with the light. Hey, I cannot decide for the customer. So what I intend to do, or what I always do, is take the customer to the suppliers and let them have a choice on what they want. Today we are at Berla, and Berla is a supplier of LED lights, because that's a most important thing of a new project. A room is good lighting. You saw my garage. That's the amateurish way, but for this customer we're gonna do it right. So if you have a look, for example, we just had a session talking about the differences, the possibilities when with LED light, for example. Well, you've got, can't you, it's hard to see on camera, but you got different strengths, etc. And if you look behind me, there you have all the different lighting fixtures you can use. So we now are taking home a book, and we're gonna I'm gonna adjust a little bit the model that I made, and after that hopefully next week the customer can decide on what he wants or what he likes, and we're gonna make a bombshell of a man cave. Well, as you can see, the plasterers are at home. They are finished for today. The walls are looking pretty good. Still have to replace the door, but that's okay. The ceiling is prepared. We just ordered the sockets and the lighting. So next step is electrician is going to finish it up. We have to do the back wall, changing the sink, etc. So, but we're moving along forward and it's looking fine. So let's see what tomorrow will bring. Day number something, I don't know. Day number I don't know. Who cares? We're still working, but as you can see, the ceiling is in, and if you can see very closely, we got the line, and if you look behind me, it's hard to see. Yes, there it is. There you can see that we just put in the lead line just to have a check on how it's going to be. But I think that this is going to look stunning. Imagine having a few cars in here and playing around behind in the back in this beautiful room. So the guys are coming to clean up. Tomorrow they're gonna prepare the ceiling for the rest of the lighting, and yeah, well. And then the plasterer is going to finish it, and then the transformation is almost done. Well, as you can see, the plasterwork is in. Looks fantastic. I'll show you around. Wait a minute, yes, and have a look at how nice this room looks. So we got here the small line that will fit the LED lights. Here we got the spots. Now I'll show you how they are going to look like this. Very beautiful black spots that's going to be above the cars in this case. And we got, when you look there are going to be some rails, and on that rails there are these type of spots. You can well, adjust the way they look like this. I think that is going to look amazing. On the floor we have the wood for the cupboards that's already arrived, and this is something the owner had before we got started, and we're gonna lay it back when finished. The floor coverings, and on the background you hear a motorcycle. Always makes me smile. That means some people say when the spring is coming and you see the little birdies, etc. We ask me, spring is coming when you hear the motorcycles. So, and here are the first parts of the electrics, and I'll take one out. Very beautiful stuff in matte white. Like this, can you see it? It's hard to see, but the final result will be fantastic. And well, pretty happy with the results so far. So it's now Friday. Monday we're gonna start installing the electric work. After that the painter is gonna start. Most colors are decided, but we have to decide on the color of the wall there. That one, yes, that one. And then we're gonna finish up, and I think hopefully very soon the owner can get his toys back in. There's some arcade coming, and other stuff. So hope he's gonna enjoy his new man cave. So, last time I told you that the plaster work has been done, and today I can show you that most of part of the lighting is finished. You see some, I walk like this, and you see that there are still some lines on the ceiling. So a lot of work needs to be done, but the painter is here, or is all done, and look at this background. Isn't this a fantastic room? Pretty happy with the results so far. As you can see, it's very light in here. Still, the sound is also, well, it's all dimmable. Do I say it correctly? Here you see that you can change the brightness of the lights. I just, oh yeah, look, if you look now there, these are well dimmed. And what we did, if you look at this room is suitable for parking a car, and every lighting zone is connected to that car, sort of speech, so that you can light up one car if you want to, or work on one car and put it in bright light. Next step is to get the lights in the ceiling. How do you call it in English? The cove? I don't know how you call it. And finally, after that, some rail spots will be installed. But well, next few days I'm going to be about finishing it all up and getting this room ready to get our customers' toys back. So well, let's have a look what tomorrow brings. But first, weekend.